Hello friends, I am Samarth from Excel Yoga School. I am going to explain you something very interesting about Vayavya Yoga, ancient aerial yoga. Our great sages they regularly practice under banyan tree that everyone knows. But what we forgot that our sages they usually practice with aerial roots, and there was a very specific method to check the strength of aerial root, as well as one need to tie a knot, and while tying a knot one need to recite very specific mantra also. Once you are on these aerial roots, one can practice very effective, interesting and rewarding yoga practices or yoga poses. The yoga asana is possible on aerial root, pranayam is possible, and dhyan is also there. I am practicing all of three. During our courses we teach how to practice on banyan tree as well as yoga trapeze, and it's very difficult to explain all the benefits of aerial yoga over the video. But practicing Vayavya Vetalasana, Viprit Gunamanasana and Padma Vetalasana is very rewarding. This is going to affect your cardiovascular health, nervous system related issues and reproductive health. So if you want to prevent migraine, Parkinson's, epilepsy or any very specific neuro related issues, to prevent all those medical issues we should practice this Vayavya yoga. And this improved blood flow in brain. Our brain has three major things, major components, which is our brain itself in skull plus cerebrospinal fluid and blood. So while practicing this Vayavya yoga, you are going to improve a lot of blood flow in your head, skull. So improved blood flow will nurture and provide more nutrient to all the important locations in our brain. Plus this is also going to help our skull to get rid of impurities which we have. Improved blood flow will going to increase your vision. When you practice Vayavya yoga, your diaphragm will move down, so it will get relaxed. So once you are out of Vayavya yoga, your breathing will become deeper, slower and calmer. With slower breathing, your heart rate will stay normal. So this is also going to help a lot to prevent hypertension. We discuss all these signs regularly during our courses and classes at Excel Yoga School. Now I am showing you Vayavya Vrukshasana. It's my amazing experience always with banyan tree. So it's a tree pose on a tree, you can call it, and I'm sure you will experience next level of benefits once you are out of tree. We have a tendency to provide credit to Westerners for any invention. For aerial yoga, if you search on online, you will find some name of American or French person that this guy has invented aerial yoga and it's a fusion of dance and XYZ things. But we forget about our sages. At Excel Yoga School, it's our prime purpose to get most out of Vayavya yoga and again re-establish our ancient yoga style. A lot of teachers from Excel, they have started teaching in USA, Canada, Middle East, Australia and many more countries. Although yoga was invented in India, but if you search top 100 yoga teachers, it's very difficult to find out any Indian name who is teaching successfully overseas. There are a lot of students, there are a lot of skilled workers, they are moving to overseas in Western countries, but they are not teaching yoga. At Excel Yoga School, we focus a lot to develop very specific skills so they can teach yoga with their own work or study and other activities, or full time they start a career as a yoga teacher, which is very important for them and for yoga also. So main purpose of Excel Yoga School is to re-establish our yogic brand to native Indian origin. This is some of the steps towards that. At Excel Yoga School, we have developed these modules and methods of ancient aerial yoga. With Vayaviya yoga, not only some stretching is possible, there are very specific poses one can maintain for longer time. One can practice all the pranayam and also practice dhyan, in-depth meditation, and that provides, I have seen, like if you compare to mat, Vayaviya yoga has added advantages. Whenever you visit us, you can ask us, question us more details about Vayaviya yoga. Producing content for health, that is very popular. But if you are producing content with Bharatiya yoga, then I'm sure you will achieve much more than just health and fitness. Before starting Vayaviya yoga, you need to take consent of your doctor if you are suffering for any medical ailments, or if you have any spinal injury or cardiac issues. Also take guidance from expert of Excel Yoga School, because everyone expects to get amazing outcome, and in order to get outcome we need to practice precisely. So we have studied in depth a lot of yogic scripts, and we have very specific formulas to get outcome as well. You should avoid breaking climber plant or tendrils, because they usually grow with aerial roots. Make sure when you practice, avoid breaking it. If you have any question, doubts or queries regarding Vayaviya yoga, you can always connect us. We really would like to promote our ancient roots of yoga to all over the globe, and we really want Bharatiya yoga teachers to shine all around the globe. See you next time with more details and more videos. Bye bye.